Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna be testing out weird products. I didn't realize that I had so many on hand until I did a clean out, kind of organizing what videos I wanted to film upcoming. And I kind of like put together a bin filled with really odd items that I thought I would just sit down, try out, and give you my immediate thoughts on. We have like a glitter liner, a really crazy contraption to curl your eyelashes, some stuff for your hair, weird brushes, weird highlighters, and you know, my makeup's kind of half done. So let's just apply the rest of it and see where this all lands, because I don't know. I kind of think like this could go one of two ways. Either it could be really beautiful, or I'm just gonna look like a crazy person for the rest of the day. The first thing I want to talk about actually are these glitter liners right here. This is from JCat. I actually immediately was gonna put this in a donation pile just based on the package. I kind of was like, I hate shiny eyeliners. I just think this is gonna be one of those felt tip eyeliners that is going to just not be that impressive. It's gonna be kind of metallic, but not metallic enough to be like full glitter. And I am so happy that I actually opened one of these and swatched it on my hand, because these are gorgeous. I have never worn this as actual eyeliner on my eyes, so we're gonna like see how this goes. But this comes in so many different colors. Like, are you kidding me? And it just really just like glides on. This has so much micro glitter in the product. I was blown away. Like, I have never seen a glitter liner this good, and it's cheap. Like, this is cheap makeup, and it is so beautiful. And then the other thing that wowed me is this stays put. I washed my hands. I had no bleeding, no nothing. Like, it just stays so, oh, you don't want to do that though. Be careful putting the lid on, because the tip is bristles and it will, oh God, I did it again. It will fray. All right, so this comes in a variety of colors. Let's take a look at these swatches. So we have the purple one, Purple Crystal. We have Golden Boy, Platinum Pop, Tuxedo Mask, Rosy Glam, Sable Black Shimmer, Frozen Island, and Dazzling Brown. They are all beautiful. By the way, I didn't even mention these are $6.99. Like, are you kidding me? Why is this $6.99? So good. All right, here we go. She's going in. I can't even remember the last time I wore purple felt tip liner or liquid liner, so this is kind of a moment for me. Do we want to wing it out? I think we want to wing. Like, let's go for the drama, right? Wow, right? Is this not so cool? Love it. Sometimes when I am lining my eyes, I find myself holding my breath. Like, I'm so focused that I'm literally just like, and I forget to breathe. It's the weirdest thing. This is beautiful. I feel like maybe I could have gone a little bit, like I kind of got a little too thick on this eye, but isn't this beautiful? And I know it's gonna stay put all day long. These are so great, $6.99. Not sponsored, just kind of fascinated. Going in my lash drawer, I just realized that I have never tried this, and I always mean to, and this is like the perfect video to try this out in. This is the Secret Weapon Supreme 24-hour winner of Best Mascara, Minerace Mascara. International Beauty Award winner. Why? Why have I not heard more about this then? I've been meaning to put this to the test. I also have this right here. This is the Eye Envy by Kiss 360 Flawless Curl Eyelash Curler. Does this not look like a torture device? So this is supposed to give you more of a lift, and I always complain that my eyelashes literally just want to, like, they want to do this. They don't want to hold a curl. It's really frustrating. So whenever I see something like this, I'm like very intrigued. Did anyone else growing up ever see their mother's eyelash curler like on the bathroom counter and think, what the hell is that? To be honest, I don't think my mom wanted to tell me, because I was so into makeup from the time I was like a toddler that if she had told me what a curler was, I would have been like, oh yes, I need this before preschool. I feel like I'm actually touching my eyeball with this contraption. Yeah, no, this is pass, hard pass. No, I don't like you. I like you. I always feel like I cheat on my home run winners when I try out new things. This is my Shu Uemura, steady and true and works great all the time and curls every single lash. We need some mascara. We're gonna try out this crazy award-winning 24-hour mascara. No, I always wanna show you the difference whenever I'm like, no, this does not work. I'm gonna show you really quickly on the other eye, just what the difference is here. Do we see? Look at that, that's a huge difference. Okay, we're gonna Lash Paradise up this eye over here. Part of me doesn't even wanna put falsies on today. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna just let that purple eyeliner be the standout. I am gonna skip lashes altogether, false lashes, and let my Lash Paradise do the work for me. I was gonna put on these. Love them. My Amber lashes from Everlasting Lashes, but we're gonna pass. I have these new highlighters from Pop Luxe. Now, I reviewed Pop Luxe highlighters a while back. They had a glow-in-the-dark highlighter. I will link that video below. That was the funnest video to film. I had way too much fun. I mean, basically, it was me and James. Like, he had to help me out turning the lights on and off. I had a black light to kind of make the glow harder. And we were just kind of screwing around in the studio and capturing it all on film. And it was so much fun. I'll link that video below. It actually worked. Wait, I'm gonna put more on, hold on. So when I got sent these, I was really excited. I wanna try, of course, another crazy highlight. I think this one warms up with your skin or does something crazy. Let's investigate. This is a gold silver shifting highlight. It says that it's very creamy and to be very careful with it and that you can apply it with your fingertips or a brush. Bop, bop, bop. Damn. Okay, that is really pretty. So this is also paraben-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and I'm surprised. Like, of course, the only highlighter that I've tried from this brand is the Glow in the Dark, which is really not something that I have reached for since filming that video. This is really, really nice. There are 9 different shades and it is 23 bucks, available online. Okay, so we're gonna get to putting on some lip gloss, and I think I'm gonna put maybe half of these into a giveaway because really I don't need all of this gloss for just my lips. So I am gonna try, ooh, there's one called Glam Taupe. Let's take a look at a couple of these. This is from Woosh Beauty, and you guys, I gotta give a major shout out to Woosh Beauty because I pretty much ripped them apart in a video. You know, my goal when I'm trying out these weird products always is to find something weird, fun to use, cool, different, that actually performs well and works. So when I tried out the Woosh products, you know, I spent my own money on them. They didn't work out. There was like a stencil to help put on your eyeliner and shadow better, and that didn't work. One of the products was dried out. It was just kind of not the greatest experience, but they sent me the sweetest note. They sent me more product to try, and I was just really impressed by that. So I actually think this is gonna work. This is called a spinning lip gloss. It is with a rotating tip. So everything Woosh Beauty has kind of an element of wow. It has like something different and it's kind of fun, which is why I wanted to try it in the first place. I actually wanna try this one right here called Beige Frosted. So the whole idea with this tip is that it kind of spins, I guess, like it, oh my God, it actually does rotate. I don't really know why that's gonna help you so much, but we're gonna see if it's a good gloss and how it applies. That is weird. It's like a rolling pin. It's like, but do you know what's nice though? Is it's actually applying the gloss in such a thin layer that you don't get that like gloppy, like too much, you know? Yeah, I love that. And that color is gorgeous. This color is beautiful. All right, I'm a big fan. I like this. Finally, something from Woosh that I can be like Tati approved 100%. I'm gonna keep 3 of them, and then the rest of these I am going to put into a giveaway. I'm actually doing another giant giveaway. I'm gonna continue through this year. I've kind of made it a vow to myself to not hold on to the full collections of what's sent to me, but to put stuff aside for you guys. All right, moving on. I have something for my hair, and this is kind of strange because it's not just a root touch-up, which you could go that route. This is from Bumble & Bumble. It is a color stick. So this one right here, you could just kind of get your roots, like if you're in between salon visits and you need to do a little of this, I think that's kind of neat. Ooh, or if you want to like, I don't know, maybe if you need to get your hairline a little, would that work? Okay, maybe not. I don't know that that worked. Usually you see these in just like brown, blonde, auburn, but I was at Namie's and I saw these two colors, and initially when I bought this, my sister was in town and I was like, hey, will you try this on camera with me? And she's like, yeah, let's do it. And then she left. We just didn't have time to do it, so gosh dang it. But I do want to see if this will show up on my dark hair. Let's just go ahead and, let's just go ahead and give myself a pink highlight and see if it'll show up. I think this would look really good and cool on blonde hair, and believe it or not, my mom would probably love this, and even in the hot pink, because she, for the past, I want to say 10 years, has kept purple, like bright purple highlights in her hair. So she'll either do like the pulled through full highlight, or right now she has like purple ombre on the bottoms. It looks super, super cute. She'd probably be really, really into these. All right, I have one more weird product that actually I use and love, and I just have to share with you guys because it's something kind of different. But recently, when I have been wearing sweaters more often, my hair gets so staticky, and I hate putting hairspray in my hair to just kind of like make it lay down flat and not be all crazy and staticky and like sticking to my face. So I love these right here from Kerastase. This is the Touch Up for Hair hair sheets. And what you do, they basically look like little dryer sheets, which actually, life hack, you could use dryer sheets. That is the cheaper way to go. But these are infused with some good for your hair ingredients, and I feel like they really freshen up your hair as well. So it's like almost like they have like a pomade or some kind of styling cream infused in the sheet itself, so it helps you to have a little more hold than just a dryer sheet. So what you do is you will literally go like this. If your hair is sticking to your face, being staticky, this will allow it to just lay flat. It's the weirdest thing, but it works so nicely. This works so much better than just hairspray or product. Sometimes I just don't want more product on my hair. I just want it to still have a lot of movement, but not be like, you know? So I had to share these with you guys too. And I feel like I've just kind of been rambling and a little bit all over the place in this video, but I wanted to show off these products on camera and sit down, chat with you guys, and talk about some new, cool, weird stuff. Oh, before we leave, I'm gonna stamp a star on my face. This was from the Shu Uemura collection. This is the Super Mario Brothers Dual Stamp Me eyeliner. So it does have an eyeliner on one side, but I just wanted to see how cute the stamp was and if it would actually stamp nicely. So we're gonna go ahead and leave the video with a cute little, oh, that's actually super cute. I like that, that's fun. And the other side is a very precise liner. Hooray for weird products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Be sure to come back tomorrow to see me and James rip into a ton of PR packages, and I will also be doing an epic giveaway that will be easy to enter, international. And yeah, I hope to see you guys then. I hope you're having a good one, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.